do this the whole time so you guys can hear the noise. Okay. Thank you for being here, everybody. I appreciate it. Today is a continuation of the last press conference we did regarding the DCI investigation into some theft issues that occurred over the last year or longer at the Cascade County Sheriff's Office. Today, we were able to get a summons for the citation of former Captain Ray Hitchcock of the Cascade County Sheriff's Office. That document was faxed down to Broadwater County Sheriff Wynn Meehan, who is going to serve that summons on Raymond Hitchcock. He is aware of it, and that's what it's going to be taken for. The charge is theft of property by embezzlement, a misdemeanor, and it's an MCA code 456301, subsection 6 of the Montana Code annotated. And basically the gist of the probable cause in this specific charge is he purchased a firearm, a Glock 43 was purchased with county monies, and he took that firearm upon leaving the sheriff's office and did not follow the proper procedure, which I cited in the press release as to how he could lawfully do that, which those steps he did not take. So that was the probable cause for the charge. Questions?
Are these the last charges that are coming out of this investigation?
So, to sum it up, I guess the most appropriate way is what I'll say is this. To speak for the DCI investigation in which they did, yes. This was the last recommended charge that they had out of their investigation. However, I will say that oftentimes in lengthy investigations, after people are charged, sometimes people come forward with statements, other things. So I don't want to commit to the fact that, this is the last thing as far as the statement goes, because we don't know what statements will come out based upon, the charges that have already been made, if someone may come forward or whatnot. So I don't really want to. I will say that per the DCI investigation, this was the final recommendation for charge, but that does not mean that there may not be something in the future.
Is this, like I know in the last press conference you said you're going to be doing regular audits. Is this kind of fall under the same umbrella with that, with Stevens?
Well, yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, it's the manner in which the accounting and the accounting not only of monies but of items in the sheriff's office led to this type of issue. Yeah, but they're very similar cases as to how it occurs. So yes, that basically follows under the same reasoning.
And I'm guessing he currently resides in Broadwater County?
Yes, that's correct. And that's why we sent the summons down there to be issued there.
And he'll be tried in the city of Great Falls?
So
Justice Court. Justice Court. Yep. Yeah. And one thing just to point out on this, I know we did an arrest warrant for former Under Sheriff Stevens. We can't do an arrest warrant on a misdemeanor theft, first offense, because it's a non-arrestable offense in Montana. So that's why we're had a summons issued.
Any other questions or concerns? This being said, obviously we hope this is the last of this investigation. We hope that this matter is closed for the sake of our employees that work here and the community that trust us. However, I will say this. We want to know the truth about everything that occurred, and we want it out in the open because this is your office, and it is my expectation that the people of Cascade County get as much information as legally possible to them so that they can best understand what is happening in their office, and that they feel comfortable and public trust is maintained. And I'm confident that County Attorney Iraqi and I are going to ensure that those things happen. And so I just want to address that before we close.